Today, I want to talk to you guys about a meme token that might be the next BONK. In fact, this token has officially broken into the top 100 of cryptocurrencies in the market, and it has officially flipped Pepe, which is unbelievable. There is something shocking that I want to share with you guys about this coin in particular. This is a coin that is on the Kronos chain. So if you've been holding Kronos coin and you're a part of the CRO fam, which is people that are big time holders of the Kronos token, you might be pretty excited about this, guys. I want to share with you guys some shocking details that I'm looking into right now with CorgiAI, guys, which has been producing some insane gains. And honestly, this is a coin that I believe if you're not holding this token or you're not aware of it yet, you've been missing out on it because of a strange thing that's going on Twitter that I want to share with you guys, and some shocking revelations about this token. We're going to talk about some of the potential upside for this and some of the recent plays that I've made within the Kronos ecosystem. I've been moving coins around. I've been taking profits. I want to keep you guys up to date with all the moves that I'm making in this space every single day with my partner on the channel, Black If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get right in. So I put out this tweet this morning, and I want to share it with you guys. It's amazing to me that the entirety of crypto Twitter is ignoring CorgiAI Club right now. This is CorgiAI token, a meme token on Kronos. It also went over to Ethereum, but it was native to Kronos. Nobody's talking about CorgiAI, and nobody's talking about Kronos chain. CorgiAI is approaching $1 billion market cap. It's at about a $650 million market cap right now. It has officially flipped Pepe. It's in the top 100. And anybody who's looking for the next BONK, maybe it is on Kronos chain, and maybe this is the next BONK. Now, if you're getting into CorgiAI now, admittedly, guys, you are a little late to the party, but arguably, you might be still very early. Let's explore this a little bit, guys. Let's explore this a little bit, and how could I dare to say something like that? Well, here is the CorgiAI chart, okay? Very daring to come out and say at a $666 million market cap that this may be the beginning. Well, let me just walk you through my thoughts here on this token really quick. If you look over the last month, guys, yes, this thing is skyrocketed. Last night while we were sleeping, Santa Claus brought us a giant wick on this thing. So anybody that flipped out for a profit up there, maybe you could buy back down on this dip, or maybe you're out of CorgiAI already because you think that this is an exhausted rally, which it certainly could be, right? Nothing goes straight up. But at a $666 million market cap with literally nobody talking about it, guys, this is not trending. This is not getting talked about on Kronos chain is not even being acknowledged on Twitter at all. In fact, it's only negative news we see. And CorgiAI isn't even getting talked about. Now, on CoinMarketCap, you can see some of the stats here. But what I really want you to look at is to understand where is all this trading volume coming from. 500,000 of it yesterday is coming from Uniswap. VVS Finance is obviously the biggest place. What is VVS Finance? It's a decentralized exchange on the DeFi protocols of Kronos. It's on the Crypto.com exchange, and it is on OpenOcean, Bilaxy, and DigiFinex. In other words, this thing is on almost no exchanges at all, guys. Now, you want to double check that. Go over to CoinGecko, okay? Again, you'll see the token stats here. You'll see the performance on this token. But what you should be really interested in, what are the exchanges that this has been listed on? Nothing. Nada. Only on DeFi. What does this mean? That means if you're holding the CorgiAI token right now, then you are holding it prior to major exchange listings. Now, is this going to get listed on major exchanges? It's a good question. I don't know. But it certainly could if this momentum continues, and if all of a sudden crypto Twitter latches onto CorgiAI and says CorgiAI is the next BONK, which I haven't seen anybody saying on Twitter at all. And frankly, I like the silence because it gives anybody in the Kronos chain and the CRO fam an opportunity to finally be a first mover. I know a lot of people that are just holding in Kronos ecosystem have been waiting for their time to shine. And I'll tell you guys, we've had some incredible gains here in this Kronos ecosystem. Absolutely unbelievable. CorgiAI is getting active on Twitter. They are putting out the fact that they did take the place as the 4th largest cryptocurrency in this market. If this thing actually flips, BONK, that would be incredible. And then I would expect some exchange listings. And if an exchange listing comes, guys, and you're holding it beforehand, then it could produce some very large gains for you. Potentially, if this thing flips $1 billion, who knows? Maybe it can even try to compete with some of the top levels that BONK achieved. The truth is honestly, this has way more utility than any other meme token out there. And it's probably got some of the best use case from any meme token I've really seen, compared to Dogecoin, compared to Shiba Inu, compared to BONK. BONK's got a lot of community play. The Solana community has certainly been a lot more overpowering than any other chain out there. But Kronos and the Crow fam has been waiting for its day. And so in the meantime, as we're getting impatient with the Kronos price, people have been aping into this. Now, some people have been doing the earn features here where you can earn some APY with your Corgi. Some people have actually been buying some VVS miner moles, which is the decentralized exchange on Kronos. And there's NFTs to go along with it, where if you stake those miner moles, you can actually earn CorgiAI in as rewards, and people are earning CorgiAI, which is making crazy gains right now. But this is a actual DeFi protocol on Kronos that is really in its infancy, and this is kind of what we need, guys. If Kronos can really start gaining some traction, just like BONK, right? BONK exploded, and then the Solana ecosystem started to rip and roar. Now, the Solana ecosystem is already starting to kind of go up, and then BONK exploded, and then people started FOMOing into the Solana ecosystem. That can happen with just about any chain, guys. It's starting to happen with Optimism right now. I would not be surprised if it happened with Kronos. The fees on Kronos are very small. The speed of Kronos is very fast. The app for the Crypto.com DeFi wallet is very easy to use. Some people don't like it. Some people like a Solana interface better. To each his own. I think that there's a lot of winners in this market. I think that Solana is going to do fantastic. Obviously, already has. Avalanche, Optimism. Honestly, layer 1 solutions are a fantastic investment. But I'm looking to be early on some stuff. And honestly, I feel like anybody sitting here watching the Kronos coin waiting for that to pump, which it really hasn't been pumping lately, guys. You have an opportunity here within the Kronos ecosystem, and this is exactly what we've been talking about. If you look at the DeFi ecosystem for Kronos, it's $360 million locked up. You can see all these protocols. These are protocols that I've been talking about for a while. Fulcrum is another one that I'm looking at eventually as probably a big mover in terms of an altcoin within the Kronos ecosystem. But let me get you guys up to date with some of the plays that I've made within this Kronos ecosystem lately. Now, there is one that's pumping up today, minted last night. I actually sold all my Kronos ID tokens right here. I sold them all right here. I tweeted out about minted last night, but I sold all my Kronos ID tokens because I figured this rally is a little bit exhausted. CorgiAI is kind of stealing the show. It's already got a it was at a $60 million market cap. Might be a little overwhelmed right now. Not to say that this isn't a good project and that this can't keep going up, but I thought it was a little overbought. So I took profit. I shuffled it aside. I'm trading a little bit on Kronos, which, by the way, guys, trading you can get away with on Kronos. You just can't get away with it on Crypto.com app. If you want to trade some of the Kronos ecosystem tokens, it's very easy to do, and it's not very expensive, and you get fair trades on the Crypto.com DeFi app. If you go through the Crypto.com app, however, the centralized exchange, the centralized applications, should I say, that you have access to in the United States, you will get rocked on trading fees. In fact, you can't even buy this on the centralized exchange, so you wouldn't have to worry about that. But I want to let you guys know I sold all my Kronos ID for now. I'll probably pick some more back up because I'm looking at some new gems. CorgiAI is leading the pack right now. Started the rally on Kronos. Minted is now following up. Now, what's the deal with Minted? Minted is one of the largest. In fact, I think it's the number one NFT marketplace on Kronos. It has its own token associated with it, and it's only got a $10 million market cap. If it goes to $1 billion, that's 100x. Minted might be a 100x token. I don't know if it goes to $1 billion, but if it does, that's 100x on your money, and that would be pretty cool. And I'll tell you guys, I shuffled $6,000 into Minted last night. Matter of fact, I actually shuffled about $5,500 into Minted last night, and it's already worth about $6,000. Why would I do something so crazy like that? Well, I do think that money's going to flow out of CorgiAI. I think that the Crow fam is making money right now. Big-time Kronos investors are making money on some of the altcoins in the ecosystem. and they're going to start shuffling profit around. And I think that if Kronos can catch on because of CorgiAI, we have a bunch of new money possibly about to enter this ecosystem, and they're going to be chasing some small cap gems. One of them certainly minted a very low market cap coin. I've got $6,000 in there right now. We're going to see how it plays out. Another one that I'm looking at, just because the market cap is so small, there's actually a couple. One in particular is Kashing, which is actually Kaching. And it is actually essentially a lottery type coin on the Kronos ecosystem. You can stake in there, get some extra APY and yield. It's just a new economy within the Kronos ecosystem that has very low market caps. If this goes to a $10 million market cap, which is nothing, that's a 10x. If it goes to a $100 million market cap, which in a multi-trillion dollar asset class is really nothing, that's 100x. I'm looking for 100x plays. I'm looking to make gains, guys, and I'm looking to introduce people in this community to some of the smaller plays that I'm making. So hopefully, guys, you can make some gains as well. I'm not a financial advisor. Who knows how these things play out, guys, but I'm just trying to keep you guys up to date with my mindset, why I'm buying into some of these tokens, the moves that I'm making as I'm making them. As soon as I can, I'll try to tweet them out. I'll put them in our private Discord. If you want access to some of the trades that I made before I put out a video on them, as quick as I can kind of tell the community, then you should follow us and our private Discord. Become a member on the channel, guys, because there's 10, 20, 100x opportunities. And if you're earlier, you're going to make more gains, guys. No guarantees that any of these play out the way that I'm saying, but I do think that CorgiAI could be the next BONK. Still doesn't have major exchange listings, which is incredible. I'll put out a video on that soon. And then also some of these other smaller coins within the ecosystem might be ready to explode. Let's see how it plays out, guys. That's all I got for you. And this one, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. If you don't celebrate Christmas, guys, enjoy the time with your family today. I love each and every single one of you. I hope you are spreading holiday cheer. Stay positive, stay grateful, and enjoy your day, guys. That's all I got for you in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL. I'll see you next time. 2 videos for you right here. If you want to check them out, peace, y'all.